Hi beauties, it's Jean with Beauty and the Stamper, and it is time to open our June 2026 paper pumpkin, and it is called Bikes and Blooms. So unfortunately, you had to have ordered this already, but if you want to get into next month's, you can order before the 10th of next month. So look at this. How cute are those? It comes with the stamp set, and it comes with a Stampin' spot, and this color is Calypso Coral. Let me get my glasses on so I could see better, because I barely had to guess what that color was. So let's open this up and see what we got. It's always so much fun to get this in the mail, and you never know what you're going to get. You have a little idea just because you know what the name is, but you never know what really is coming. So let's see here. We've got some twine. We've got some cute little butterflies there, and some dimensionals, and some little glue dots. And then, oh, I see something cute. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. You get 9 envelopes that coordinate. And so it looks like we'll be making at least 9 cards. Of course, we can make some alternates and make other cards as well. You can make scrapbooks with it. But we've got 3 of these little bikes, so I know that's going to be a card. We've got the backings. And I love that it's all white on the inside, so you know that the card inside, you don't have to add any layers or anything. And then it looks like we've got 3 of these ephemeras and paper pieces. There we go. Is that better? It's got a little bike with the little bushes and some books and a plant, and then some extra pieces here. So let's see what we've got. The next base is a nice light green here. Really pretty. It's got a little stripe down at the bottom. And then again, white on the inside. And now we've got some more nice ephemera cutouts. We've got some things here. I'm betting we're going to put some flowers maybe in there. A little half circle, some flags. And then another piece of that as well. And then we've got this color, which is a nice, I don't know, is this a darling duckling? It'll tell us the colors, but it's a really pretty yellow. You can't really see, there you go. With the stripe down at the bottom there. And then we've got 3 of these cutouts. Well, enough to make 3. So it's got a bike. I don't know if these are clouds or flowers. And then some little placards here as well. So we've got that. And now we've got the instructions. Let's look. Oh, here's the instructions. And then on the back, it's going to show us the stamp set there. So you can cut that out and keep that with that. You guys know, if you've watched me for any length of time, I keep them in a CD or DVD case. So look at that. Best wishes. Thank you. Have a lovely day. There's our flowers and some butterflies and another bike there. And here are the finished cards that we're going to be making. So there's those flowers. I knew there were going to be flowers in there. You can add your flowers, your butterflies, and your little banners. And then I love the instructions that come with it because it tells you exactly what you need. You're going to need the base. It tells you where to put the little dots there. So your glue dots. And then your dimensionals, so you know that that's going to be popped up, and this is going to go right on the card. Let's see. everything's going to be popped up except for that little part right there that goes along the strip. So you see all the pop-ups, and it tells you you need 3 little butterflies. It tells you exactly how much twine you're going to need and where it goes. I mean, these are great. And then it comes with a little measuring tape on the side so you can measure how much twine you need. So, and then there's the other cards as well. And then, they don't have alternatives, but we can look up alternatives, or I can make some with you. You let me know. Let me know if you're interested, if you are a Paper Pumpkin subscriber of mine, if you want to get back into getting together and doing some Paper Pumpkin put-togethers with alternatives. All right, beauties, I hope you like this. I will leave a link in case you want to buy next month's and join us if we do the put-togethers. So, all right, my friends, I hope you have a wonderful time, a great week, and I will talk to you later. Bye.